any person wey dey for diaspora, he want come over Cameroon, they leave farm cocoa them. And then he don't come for diaspora now. Cocoa don't come out from 1,500 to 5,500 now. So I'm saying it disappear from 1,500 appear for 5,500. So now people that have paid, they need to accept say they get their money. They never even see accept. At the first, then I first have to ask them. Yes. So una leave farm cocoa then una see send money back home. That means una no one stand. I mean that people that for diaspora, because no, never in the history people that will come on go accept say they get budget. No one day they need to always accept. You ask person now. I don't ask people that will come on say how far boy. Una if send me money to cocoa don't the level way they only have back if you don't get that kind of 150,000 to 200,000 fancy CFA. But they will ever tell you say cocoa don't finish. Some cocoa the way if some cocoa farm the way it dry so the way now only cocoa season. If cocoa they come out 15 bags, no say for small pig way it don't finish or yo the man go be able to move 1 bag and a half or 2 bags for the manage the chop before the time for big pig. But big pig will come. Cameroon farmers will say that money no day. Small pig will come, they say money no day. Everything about Cameroon and their life now excuse for one place to another. They're not able for things say they get people then two way they feel ask them say bro, this cocoa I don't sell and so bro. I make plenty income for you. Man give us see man where eat there abroad. If he get now only 50 trees cocoa now for the moment, he go make money buy plot B house. But now as I talk so I go surely one come back house where I believe am for pay for man the way they get cocoa farm them. With all the expensive way cocoa do expensive, that house they go see remain exactly as we live am. Yes. They forget will not say with time, the very cocoa don't go up, will go down to the fullest. So me any man where they for Cameroon, me wise plan with him money before the time for say the cocoa finish rich. I don't talk my own.